So we are extremely excited about the first day of school. As you can tell, our bus drivers are just arriving and they're getting ready to go out for their routes. We have really worked hard all summer to ensure that we have a safe start, but more importantly, that we begin to recover the learning loss for our students.
Talk about the new system going into effect today.
So this morning we'll be implementing for the first time a new Zonar system. One of the things that we heard from our parents is that they really want to have an opportunity to have a location of where their child is at any given time. So this morning as students arrive on the bus and they log in, they'll be scanning their card on the bus, which gives their parents an up-to-date indication of where their child is on the bus and when they exit the bus in the mornings and in the evenings.
Big announcement yesterday. Talk a little bit about the mask mandate, please.
So yes, yesterday we made a decision to require masks. One of our core values in Spring ISD is that we will do whatever we can do to ensure the safety of all of our students and our staff. And so in keeping in line with our board vision and keeping in line with what we cherish the most, we decided the best thing to do based upon the numbers and the uptake was to ensure the safety by trying to mitigate safety risks by requiring masks.
You're one of several school districts across the state defying the governor's, mask ban. Just kind of your thought process on moving forward with requiring masks for school guidelines.
It's quite interesting. We really focus on safety every single year. We take steps, we train our staff, we train our students when they arrive to school to ensure that their safety needs are met. I would like to think of this not so much of a defiance, but ensuring our community and ensuring our parents that we are focused on making sure we can do everything that we can to mitigate the situation.
The governor had said that there would be a fine for school districts. Are we aware of that? Do we know what's going to happen?
We're not aware, other than what was written about the fine that may be imposed by doing what we're doing. But one thing's for sure, as we went through the pandemic last year, as I'm sure many of us understand, there are people all over the country that lost loved ones. In Spring ISD, we also lost valued teammates. And it's my responsibility as the superintendent of the school to ensure that we do everything to keep individuals safe. We're trying to make sure that as we focus on learning each and every day, that we don't take the learning focus away and only focus on COVID. We know that COVID is something that everyone is facing, but we are charged with educating kids. And we know, based upon what happened all across the country last year, with where kids are and how they ended up academically, that we must ensure that we have nothing that breaks that opportunity for them to go. And so for us, I don't want to focus so much on defying the governor. We are ensuring that our kids are safe, we're ensuring that our teachers are safe, and we're ensuring that the learning needs for each student is met.
Superintendent, you guys also are going to have a survey coming out for parents about that virtual option. Talk a little bit about that and